Welcome everyone. We have a few fantastic days coming up.
We're going to talk about the essence of Fastned, our culture. What is this special glue that ties us all together?
We've come into this job and we've learned so much because nobody is born knowing how to build the future of charging. We're not afraid to ask questions, to admit mistakes, or to even try something wild. We learn, we share, we adapt, and we do better next time.
We want to have an open mind and be open for diversity. We welcome everyone, and that's how we spark beauty.
We don't wait for anyone to show us how it's done. We are the ones in the driver's seat. We see what needs to be done, and we get it done. We make it a reality, taking every opportunity to prove what we're capable of and never settling for good enough.
What does top 3 mean? It's not just a number, it's not just a ranking, it's winning the loyalty of millions of EV drivers.
I think we're really talking about profit in 2 ways. Profits for our investors, but also profit for society. And then we're thinking about better air quality, progress on the battle against climate change.
People ask me what I'm most proud of, and I think I can mention the number of stations, the locations. But in the end, I'm most proud of the team and what we achieved together.
What we do really has impact. We're enabling drivers to make the switch. We're accelerating progress. We're driving up EV adoption. We're driving down emissions. We're tackling air pollution. We're safeguarding our climate for generations to come. So our work has impact and it has meaning. And that, for me, is an empowering mission.